In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Facebook ads expert in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the digital marketing scene or looking to sharpen your skills, mastering Facebook ads can significantly benefit your business or the organization you're helping to grow. Let's jump right into it. First and foremost, head over to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform houses all the tools you'll need to manage your ads effectively. It's a centralized space where you can oversee your pages, ad accounts, and much more. If you're already logged into your Facebook account on your browser, great. If not, take a moment to sign in. Next, once you're on the Facebook Business Manager page, there's a button that says Login with Facebook. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway into managing your business's online presence on Facebook. Choose your account from the list provided to proceed. Make sure you select the account associated with your business page or the one that has the required permissions to manage ads. Once you've successfully logged in, locate the ads section on the lower left panel. This area is your control room for everything ad related on Facebook. Clicking on this will bring you to a new level of your journey in mastering Facebook ads. After you've found yourself in the Ads section, look for and click on Ads Manager. This tool is where the magic happens. Ads Manager is an all-in-one tool for creating, managing, and analyzing your Facebook ads. It's intuitive, packed with powerful features, and designed to help you succeed in your advertising efforts. Now, once you're comfortably inside the Ads Manager, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Help option. This is like finding a treasure trove of resources directly from the source. Clicking on Help will open the door to a vast array of support options and resources tailored to make your advertising journey as smooth as possible. Among the resources listed under Help, you'll find a very special link titled Blueprint eLearning. This is your next click. Blueprint eLearning is a comprehensive online training program offered by Facebook themselves. It's designed to teach you the ins and outs of creating effective campaigns, understanding your audience, and much more. Once you're on the Blueprint eLearning page, take your time to browse through the courses available. These courses are designed to cater to learners at every level, from beginners to seasoned marketers looking to fine-tune their skills. The courses cover a broad spectrum of topics, including but not limited to ad buying, ad creative, and measuring ad performance. Take advantage of these resources to understand the platform inside out and to harness its full potential. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind on your journey to becoming a Facebook ads expert. First, practice is key. The more you experiment with different ads and settings, the better you'll understand what works best for your audience and goals. Second, keep up with the latest trends and updates. Facebook often updates its advertising policies and tools, so staying informed will give you an edge. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help, join online forums, reach out to fellow marketers, and utilize the Facebook community to share insights and solve challenges together. By following these steps and making the most of Facebook's extensive learning resources, you'll be well on your way to mastering Facebook ads. The journey might seem daunting at first, but with patience, practice, and a proactive approach to learning, you'll find yourself achieving your marketing goals in no time. So, recap. Start at the Facebook Business Manager, navigate to the Ads Manager, dive into the Blueprint eLearning resources, and continue to explore, learn, and ask questions. The path to becoming a Facebook ads expert is at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let's harness the power of Facebook advertising together. Happy marketing!